Welcome to Bike Reviews Pro, your go-to channel for the latest and most exciting two-wheeler updates. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 TVS Apache RTR 160, a machine that blends aggressive styling, advanced tech, and race-inspired performance. Let's explore why this bike is creating so much buzz. Design and styling, sporty and sharper than ever. The 2025 Apache RTR 160 comes with a refreshed design that's more muscular and aggressive. With sharper tank extensions, bold new graphics, and a redesigned LED headlamp with signature DRLs, the bike looks ready to dominate the streets. TVS has also introduced new dual-tone color options that make the RTR stand out like never before. Engine and performance, race-tuned power. Under the hood, the Apache RTR 160 continues to be powered by a 159.7 cubic centimeters single-cylinder air-cooled engine. It now complies with BS6 Phase 2 norms and features race-tuned fuel injection (RT5) technology. The result? Smoother throttle response, better fuel efficiency, and enhanced low-end torque for everyday city rides and spirited weekend fun. Features and technology, smart and connected. TVS hasn't held back on tech either. The RTR 160 now offers a fully digital instrument cluster with TVS SmartXonnect, enabling Bluetooth pairing, turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, and more. You'll also find features like a gear position indicator, real-time mileage display, and ride modes in select variants. Brakes, suspension, and ride quality. Riding dynamics remain a strong point. The bike gets a front telescopic fork and rear monoshock suspension setup that delivers a balanced ride. With disc brakes at both ends, in higher variants, and optional single-channel ABS, braking is sharp and confidence-inspiring even at higher speeds. Mileage, price, and variance. The new RTR 160 offers a mileage of around 45 to 50 km/L, making it both thrilling and economical. The 2025 model is available in multiple variants, including disc, drum, and Bluetooth-enabled versions. Expected pricing starts from 1.25 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. Conclusion: RTR 160 is back and better. The 2025 TVS Apache RTR 160 proves once again why it remains a favorite in the 160 cubic centimeters segment. With its aggressive looks, improved performance, and tech-savvy features, it's the perfect upgrade for both new riders and Apache fans alike. Stay tuned to Bike Reviews Pro for more bike updates, reviews, and comparisons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.